Good day, guys. So, are you looking to manage your sales pipeline more efficiently? Here's an overview of HubSpot Sales Hub, including pros, cons, and key features you need to know. So, HubSpot Sales Hub is a sales focused CRM tool designed to help teams manage leads, automate follow ups, track deals, and close sales more effectively. It integrates with Gmail, that integrates with email, phone, and other HubSpot tools to provide a centralized sales management platform. And now let us talk about the key features. So some of the main features include contact and lead management, keep all leads organized in one place, email tracking and templates, monitor opens, clicks, and automate outreach. Deals pipeline, visualize your sales process and track deals. Meeting scheduling, allow clients to book directly from your calendar. And sales automation, automate repetitive tasks to save time. And now pros. User-friendly interface, easy for beginners, strong integration with HubSpot ecosystem and third-party tools, customizable pipelines for different sales processes, reporting and analytics for performance insights, free tier available with core sales features, and reporting and analytics for performance insights. And now the cons and limitations. So something to consider. It can get expensive as you scale or add premium features, limited advanced automation on lower tiers, occasionally complex pricing structure, and some features require paid plans to unlock full functionality. So overall, HubSpot Sales Hub is a powerful CRM for teams looking to streamline their sales process. Its pros outweigh the cons if you're ready to invest in the platform for growth and efficiency. Enjoy the guide, enjoy the comparison of pros and cons, like the video also, and subscribe, and see you soon.